Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about RxMiner, but a quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. So here's the deal. RxMiner markets itself as a mobile mining app that lets you earn free Bitcoin and other crypto by simply keeping up running. You don't need mining rigs or technical skills, just your phone and a few taps. But let's get real for a second. The app is open Google Play and looks legit on the surface, but the deeper you dig, the more red flags start showing up. On Trustpilot, RxMiner has a super low rating with tons of one-star reviews. Users complained that they were shown earnings, but when it came time to withdraw, it either never processed or required some shady upgrade fee. Others said their withdrawals were pending forever, not a great sign. And there's Scam Advisor, which gives RxMiner's API a very low trust score. That usually means the hidden domain has hidden ownership, suspicious activities, or history of complaints. Over on Reddit and reviewonlinescams.net, users and reviewers are calling RxMiners out as a classic fake mining app. One of the main tactics show users fake balances to keep them hooked, then block payouts or demand payment for upgrades that go nowhere. Some say the app is just an app front for or to collect ad revenue or personal data. So is RxMiner legit or a scam? Honestly, it doesn't look promising. It's likely one of those fake mining apps that increases the illusion of earnings but never actually pays. The bad reviews, scam warnings, and shady payout system all point in the same direction. If you're curious about crypto, that's awesome, but don't waste your time on apps like this. Real mining and earning opportunities do exist, but they're not this easy. And they definitely don't ask for money to unlock your own earnings. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.